Wow, look at the time. I have a meeting starting soon. Do I say it starts at 2 p.m. or in 2 p.m.? Time prepositions can be tricky. But do you know the simple rule to get them right? Here are the 2 essential rules you need. First, use AT for specific clock times. If you can see it on a clock, use AT. Repeat after me. At 6 he, at noon. Now use in for parts of the day. These are longer periods like morning or evening. Say, in the morning. In the evening. Great job. Use these and you'll never be late again. Subscribe for more English tips.